No coffee?
No worky.
So first, grab a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and let's start this tutorial for transcription jobs for beginners, just like you. Oh, and by the way, if you stick until the end of this video, you will also learn transcription jobs, so you can easily make thousands of dollars per week, depending on the way you scale it and how many PCs you run, because it's a really interesting way. I don't know anyone that's actually doing it on the scale that you can.
Wow! This is a strong message!
Hey, I'm Dr. Niki, and I'm making this video because I want to tell you about an opportunity to make money online by just having the skill to type different stuff on your computer. As easy as that, no catch. So if you're interested in personal branding and making money online, make sure you click the subscribe button, and before we start, the like button. And you know what? I'll actually shout you out to one of the next videos. All you gotta do, comment your Instagram username, YouTube username, or TikTok username down below. Take it, put it in the shout out jar, and in one of the next videos, I'll just do something like this. Okay, so the first website we actually check is Gotranscribe.com, and as you can see here, they can pay you up to 62 euro cents, which is around 70 cents per minute. 70 cents per minute multiplied by 60 minutes, that's actually $42 per hour. Imagine that, making $42 an hour. That's already 4 hours at McDonald's in the United States, 20 hours in my country. And imagine if you can also multiply that to $420 an hour, which is already a nice number, but most importantly, you can achieve this number. Results can differentiate, but there's actually a way to automate the whole process and do it on 10 computers or more and make money passively. So the first website you gotta take into consideration is actually Gotranscribe.com. The second one is actually Transcribeme.com, and you can just apply by clicking the join our team option. And it's actually a good idea to register on as many websites as you can to get as many offers as you can. But my approach personally is to do my own gig, build feedback, and charge a little bit more. So I actually do Upwork and Fiverr. And again, remember that if you want to learn how to automate the whole process, you actually gotta watch the video until the end. And it's a pretty short video, there's no BS here. So the first option that you would want to do, and I'm just registered on Upwork as an employer, not as a freelancer, but you would be typing in something like transcription, and then you can see what prices people are charging for. People are charging up to $15 an hour, $20 an hour, and again, we can all make that really easy. And if you go on Fiverr, and you can build cheaper prices than all these people right here, you get more sales, get more feedback, and build up and rank higher and higher. For example, this person with a transcription of $5 has over 1,000 feedback. If you actually go on her profile right here, she has over 6,000 reviews here. 6,000 reviews. If you just multiply the standard plan she has, so it's around an average $10 multiplied by 6,656, she made over 66 grand from just transcribing. Imagine in her country how this changed her life. So now, since you stick until the end of the video, here is how to automate the whole process. The actual way is via Google Translate. So all you gotta do is go on Google Translate, and doesn't matter this language doesn't matter at all. All you gotta do is turn the volume up on the YouTube video or whatever video you gotta transcribe. Just type in this button. Look what happens right here. As you can see, Google understands every single one of my words with no mistakes. So this is basically the way you can automate it. You just got to get around 10 computers on with YouTube, and you can scale it to hundreds, if not thousands dollars per hour. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Remember that results can vary and you gotta do your own due diligence. But me and my team, we are here to help. Me and my team of 2 editors, we do up to 3 videos every single day, just because no one else is doing that, and we wanna be the best in our niche. So please support the channel by just giving this video a like so more people can see it, and subscribe for more valuable content. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.